guys again. You'll see me in the same outfit. I don't care because I just did the review on that body wash thing, but this time I'm about to do a review on my own product. Okay, so me and my sister, we make polymer clay charms and pendants and stuff, but what I have here is my pendants that I've created, and I can show y'all a few of them that I have. This one is my favorite one. I call it the cotton candy because it literally looks like cotton candy. It reminds me of cotton candy, and I feel like it would smell like cotton candy. If only I could make these smell, I feel like people would buy them more. But I have them listed on eBay for $8 if y'all want to buy them. And I know that might seem kind of high, but that's only because the work put into making these, it's a lot of work and it's very time consuming. Here is a better view. Don't mind my nails, y'all, but here's a better view. If it'll focus, you can see it. But I make these out of polymer clay, and I have to construct this whole thing, and this is where all the this is where the money is going to, the time into doing this. It takes a really long time, and it kind of hurts after a while, so that's another thing. Look, I have to construct even these little small pieces here. The only thing that I don't buy nothing put together. I have to put everything together. I buy the wire, well, the rope. I buy the individual chain things. Well, it comes in like a pack of like 100 or 200. I have to buy these clasps. Sometimes it comes in like a bundle of stuff, but I had to buy these because I ran out. I have to buy the clay and these little baggies. I have like shipping envelopes too. I should have showed y'all those, but yeah, I ship them to people. And if you want to buy one, I'm gonna put a link in my description. What are you looking at? My cat is up here looking at me do this video. There's gonna be a link in the description if you want to buy one. I can show y'all the ones that I have listed on there. Should I just insert pictures? Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. I'll insert pictures now. So, yeah, I have red. Okay, this one too is like one of my favorites. It's like really inspired by the Joker. Just the colors like purple and green. I was like, I seen them. It was actually put into the clay pack, like together. So I was like, that really reminds me of the Joker. So I just made this, and it's inspired by the Joker. And I have this one. It's like, it's a gray color with blue. On eBay I call them marble inspired because they're like marble, but it's not marble. It's clay. But yeah, the black and gray, I really like that one. The blue one too. I made a lot of blue because I figured people would like these. Everyone likes blue. And did I show all of them? And this green one. I have like regular purple, like two-tone purple, and I think I have a yellow one left. If there's a color that you want me to make for you, I will. And yeah, it'll just be $8 or anything that you want me to make. Depending on what it is, it'll probably just be $8 if it's a necklace, of course. If you want a bracelet too, that'll probably be $8 or maybe $5. I have some other charms that I could have put in the video, but I left them in the other room. Like silver charms. I made butterflies and stuff, but that'll probably be later on where I'll put that on my eBay. But for now I'm just doing the polymer clay, and we're just gonna see how that's gonna go. But yeah, let me know if you want something specific or custom. I'll do it for you for $8. Okay, I sold some already, so make sure you guys, if you want to buy them now before they get sold out, because I'm gonna do a lot of like advertising probably after this video. I really just wanted to, like, you know, post on my channel about what I'm doing outside of my YouTube channel. But I do other things too. It's like, this is like my secret YouTube. Nobody really knows about this one. Like, I mean, my family does, but like, not all of my family. They know more about my music channel. I have another secret channel too, where I do gaming. Nobody knows about that one either, besides my house. But yeah, I'm gonna put the link of I'm gonna put the link in the description of my eBay page, because that's where I'm selling them from. $8 free shipping. I have to pay the shipping, so that's another thing. That's why the price is $8. I could have put it up higher, but I'm like, I really want people to buy these, so I'm not gonna put them like $30 like I've seen some of them. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, if you have a product that you want me to review, just let me know. I'll buy your product depending on how much it is. If it's like really high, I won't be able to buy it because money is kind of, I'm not going to get into that. But yeah, if you have something that you want me to review, I know I'm not a big YouTube, but I'll try to support as much as I can, because I know it's hard when you're a small YouTuber and nobody wants to look at your stuff or subscribe. But I figure if we work together, then we can get big together. But yeah, let me know. I'll check it out. Or if I can't buy it, I'll try to send traffic to your product as good as I can. Like, I'll post it on Instagram, my Twitter, make a video of it. But yeah, this is going to be the end of this video. Hopefully I remember to post the pictures of each one up there. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.